Hi students, today we are going to discuss the formula a minus b whole square, where a is a number and b is also another number. Let me do it geometrically first and then see what the result comes out to be. The result should be a square minus 2ab plus b square. So let us see. Here one thing is there, a is greater than b. We are considering for geometrically purpose, we are taking a is bigger than b, only for geometrically purpose. But it does not matter, the result comes out to be the same. Whether a is bigger or b is bigger, it does not matter. So let us see what's there. This is, I am going to consider a big square. Let's consider this is a big square of side a. This side is a, this is a, this side is a, and this side is also a. So all the sides are a. Now what we do, because we are going to subtract b from it, let's consider that we draw right here and right here, and I draw this one a line, this line right here, and cut this big square into smaller pieces. So this will be b, this part is b, so that this total part is a, and this small part, this one is b. So the remaining is, this is a minus b, this will be also from this to this is a minus b, this to this is also a minus b, this to this is also a minus b. So what we are going to find the area right here in this region, what that will be in this small square, which is cut out of the bigger square of a with side a. So what's the area? The total area, this bigger area is what? That is a multiplied with a. That is, you can write it here, a multiplied with a. Sorry, it's a multiplied with a. And the region which is cut out from that is what? Firstly, I consider this region. This is a and this is smaller. This one is b. So this is b, this is b, this is b, this is b. So this whole, this big rectangle, what's the area of that? That is a multiplied b. So this is cut out a multiplied by b, and then is what? Another region is there, this big region. What's the area of that? The area of that will be b, and this whole side is a. So this is also a multiplied by b, the area of this bigger. But now you see that I have taken this one rectangle, this bigger one, and this rectangle is also taken right here. And this region is taken in this big rectangle, and this region is also taken in this rectangle. So it is cutted two times. So it's not possible to cut this region two times. So only we can cut one time to this region. So we add it one time. So b times b. So what this comes out to be? A square minus 2ab plus b square. So that comes out to be a minus b whole square. So what's this? A minus B whole square. So this is right here with this one. So what we did, we have to find the area of this. I just draw it as red region. We have to find the area of this red region, and we have subtracted out the regions, this one, and this one. So I have subtracted this 2 times. If you see here, this mesh is coming out. This shows that this region is cutting 2 times. So we have just to cut it only once. So once, because we have cut it 2 times, so 1 time it will be added here. So it comes out to be this much. So now if you want to prove it algebraically, you can do that. Like A minus B whole square will be equal to what? A minus B and A minus B. So that will be there. So this is what A should be. This is the first one multiplied with the A minus B, and this is minus B. This should be multiplied with A minus B. So the first one multiplied with the whole of the second one. This second letter, this is minus B, will be multiplied with whole of that. So this will become A times A square. A times B is minus AB. So minus B times A is minus AB. Minus B times minus B will be plus B square. So this will become A square minus 2AB plus B square. So you can see whether you do it geometrically or you do it algebraically, you get the same result is right there. So I hope you understand that. Thank you.